How to get promo code on GoFan. So the very first thing you need to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me head over to Google Chrome. Once you are in here, in the search bar search for GoFan promo code. You'll get to see different sites over here. Move ahead to the very first site. Well, it will redirect you to this page. In this page, you'll get to see tons of different promo codes. You can click on any one of it. Let me tap on this one. There you can see that the promo code has appeared on your screen. All you want to do is tap on copy. Well, the promo code has been copied successfully. Now you can simply go back and head over to your application GoFan and then apply this promo code and get certain amount of discount and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can get GoFan promo code. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.